up, guys, and welcome to another edition of Market Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to Market Marauders, an investment channel, helps you to find best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. Hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. All right, so I'm going to be coming to you talking about cryptocurrencies. So we've seen a rise in cryptocurrencies over the years. I think as we go into 2021, there's going to be a dramatic boom into cryptocurrencies. So in this video, I'm basically going to explain what they are, my take on them, and how you can start investing in cryptocurrencies and which ones to look at that are on my radar. So what is a cryptocurrency, you may ask? This is Investopedia. Basically gives information on different topics that investors want to know. If you have any questions about something, I usually go to Investopedia because it's a good source for overall information for investing. So a cryptocurrency is a new form of digital asset based on a network that is distributed across a large number of computers. This decentralized structure allows them to exist outside the control of governments and central authorities. So this reason is why people are, kind of iffy about cryptocurrencies, because they don't have government control. If you have, like the dollar bill, other currencies around the world, they're all government, entities. But cryptocurrency is its own thing. It's all private. So that's what gives a little bit of skepticism for people on, should I be investing in this? Is this really a secure way to put my money, or a secure place to put my money? So the word cryptocurrency is derived from encryption techniques, which are used to network. So blockchain, which is organizational method for ensuring the integrity of transactional data, is an essential component of many cryptocurrencies. Then it says many experts believe the blockchain and related technologies will disrupt many industries, including finance and law. So that's basically, cryptocurrencies in a nutshell, and, what they are. One of the reasons that I think cryptocurrency is going to be so big in this upcoming year, 2021 and beyond, is because a company named PayPal. So if you're not familiar with what PayPal is, it is basically a place where you can pay for items. Usually a lot of online stores have PayPal. I have a PayPal, so if you guys want to donate, I'll have it down below, or you can look for it on my tab on my main page. So everyone basically has a PayPal, but now PayPal is enabling users to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrencies. So PayPal's users, they have 26 million people who are on PayPal, which is larger than any bank amount of users. And so 26 million people are going to now have access to be able to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrencies, which is just, in my opinion, going to make the market boom. So if you remember back when the investing boom basically happened, was the birth of Robinhood. So Robinhood came out and they gave commission-free trading, which is, unheard of for a lot of the financial institutions. They charge you to trade, they charge you to buy, sell stocks, and they charge you commission for using their service. So with the birth of Robinhood, it kind of was disruptive in the sense that people didn't have to worry about, making bad financial decisions with trading, because they weren't being charged to buy stocks, they weren't being charged to sell stocks. So it kind of opened the market for more people to have access to trading. So I think the same thing is going to happen with this. Now they're rolling it out, but I know that there is a sign-up list or a waiting list that you have to join in order to get access to crypto on PayPal. And I think only about 10% of people who have the app are able to actually use it at the current moment. So I know if you go to their website, if you log into your PayPal account, you'll have to join a waiting list, similar to, some of the features in Robinhood or other apps. So they haven't completely rolled it out, but I know that it's coming. And I'm definitely excited about it. And with the birth of this, I can see, more businesses and more companies starting to adopt cryptocurrency. Now, you may be saying, okay, this is cryptocurrency, I'm understanding what's going on, But which cryptocurrencies are best, and what are the names of them, and which one should I choose? I can't personally tell you which ones to choose, but I have three which that I look at all the time. So they may not be the three most popular ones, but they're three that I look at. So the first one is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, if you've heard of cryptocurrency at all, Bitcoin basically has crossed your mind. So Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency or most popular cryptocurrency at the current moment. On their website, it's just bitcoin.org. Basically explains, some of the background information. So I'll go over some of this. So in balances, it just basically says blockchain. The blockchain is a shared public ledger on which the entire Bitcoin network relies. All confirmed transactions are included in blockchain. It allows Bitcoin wallets to calculate their spendable balance so that new transactions can be verified, thereby ensuring they actually own by the spender. The integrity of the chronologically order of blockchain are enforced by cryptography. So transactions, so it explains what transactions are, and then the cryptocurrency terminology, which is private keys. A transaction is a transfer of value between Bitcoin wallets that gets included in the blockchain. Bitcoin wallets keep a secret piece of data called a private key or seed, which is used to sign transactions, providing a mathematical proof that they have come from the owner of the wallet. The signature also prevents the transaction from being altered by anybody once it has been issued. All transactions are broadcast to the network and usually begin to confirmed within 10 to 20 minutes through a process called mining. So then it goes and explains what mining is. Mining is a distributed consensus system that is used to confirm pending transactions by including them to the blockchain. It enforces a chronological order in a blockchain and protects the neutrality of the network and allows different computers to agree on state of the system. To be confirmed, transactions must be packed in a block that fits very strict cryptographic rules that will be verified by the network. The rules prevent previous blocks from being modified because doing so would invalidate all subsequent blockings. So just a breakdown of some of the terms you'll hear, and this basically applies to all cryptocurrency. So this is not just how Bitcoin works. It'll be the background for how all cryptocurrencies work. So if you're looking to buy Bitcoin, there's a good website here called CoinDesk. I don't know if they buy or sell them, but I do know they have the prices. And the thing about cryptocurrencies is that they trade constantly. So it's not like the market where there's a time where it closes. So it's just a 24-hour, constant trading, which can be a good and or bad thing. So if we look at here, the current price at the time of this video for one Bitcoin is $13,534.35. Now, I personally believe that that's going to be way higher as time goes on, especially with more people being able to actually buy Bitcoin. So with PayPal, you don't have to go and worry about all the background or all the guesswork, on buying and selling a Bitcoin. You don't have to worry about the blockchain or getting a wallet or all that other stuff. PayPal will essentially act as your wallet. So when you put money into your PayPal account, it probably will give you an option on whether to have Bitcoin or to not have Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency that you want to use. I don't know how many they're going to support, but I do know Bitcoin will most likely be, one of the ones that are on there. Then you can go and convert your money. So let's say you have a store that you run and people want to buy your items. I believe that you can go and take that money in cash and convert it into crypto or accept crypto for your items. So it's just another interesting way that I think crypto will be able to grow in the future. So the next one that I watch, or the next one I look at, is Ethereum. So Ethereum, you could say, is the number 2 largest crypto out there, or most popular one. And then it just basically goes over banking for everyone. Not everyone has access to financial services, but all you need is access to access Ethereum is lending borrowing and saving products is an internet connection. So you don't need to provide all the personal details to use Ethereum app. Ethereum is building an economy based on value, not surveillance. Peer-to-peer networks. Ethereum allows you to move money or make agreements directly with someone else. You don't need to go through intermediary companies. So basically, if you want to lend somebody some Ethereum, you don't have to go, through a bank to do it. Like if you needed a loan, you could just go and find somebody who will be willing to lend it to you, and then you could get your money. So, peer-to-peer is pretty good for those who need it. Censorship and resistant. No government or company has control of it over Ethereum. This decentralization makes it necessarily impossible for anyone to stop you from receiving payments or using services on Ethereum. Commerce guarantees. Ethereum creates more level playing field. Customers have a secure built-in guarantee that funds will only change hands if you provide what is agreed upon or what was agreed. So Ethereum is the one that I look at as well. I think it's going to continue to grow as time goes on. And if we look at their price, the time of this video, their price is $380.27. Now, I do believe that's going to go up as well. Now, will it get all the way up to 13,000 where Bitcoin is? I don't know, but I do believe that it's going to go up even higher just because more people will have access to buying it and selling it. So the last one that I look at, maybe off the radar, more people may say, go look at Ripple. So basically on here, you can see these are in order, the most popular ones. So XRP being Ripple. I don't look at any of those down here, in my personal opinion. It's just my personal preference. But one I do look at because, I like the mascot and I like what the company actually does, is Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin does have a lot of things they do. They do a lot of charity events. They have a lot of sponsors. They sponsor a lot of things. So Dogecoin actually sponsored a NASCAR car. So they had their Dogecoin logo on the car, which I thought was pretty cool. They are digital cryptocurrency. They also have a baseball team. So California Dogecoin, where they sell merch. They play, against different people. And it's all sponsored by Dogecoin. So you could go on here on their website and look at the different gear that they have, find games. These are some of the items that they sell, baseball related. But Dogecoin, in my personal opinion, is my favorite coin. I like, their mission. I like what they do. I like what they stand for. I like all the things surrounding the company. And if you look, they're pretty cheap. So it's not even one whole penny. It's 0.00249, and I think it definitely has potential to grow as time goes on. Now, I know for a fact Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, you can all access from Robinhood at the time of this video. So you can go to Robinhood right now and access, buy these different things of Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So, if you have a Robinhood account, that'll be an easy way to do it. I tried to look up Dogecoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum on Webull, but I don't think Webull supports cryptocurrency. You can go to a website and get a wallet or basically, a website that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and that'll allow you to go and start investing today. Or you can just get a PayPal account and wait till you get access to it and then be able to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Or what you could do is you could go find another service that'll allow you to do that. So that's just my synopsis on cryptocurrencies. I think they'll continue to grow. I think there's going to be a boom in crypto, especially when you have companies putting large amounts of money and investing into crypto. I think it's no longer going to be a barrier for entry, which is the same thing that we saw with trading stocks or the whole stock market boom or stock trading boom. as time has gone on. So I would say, just get ready. A lot of investors that I've seen have just put small amounts of money into crypto because, it's still iffy for a lot of people. Like, they don't know why they should invest into crypto opposed to other things. So I think a lot of investors are finding it as a speculative play. So, they're kind of two sorts of investors that I've seen, or I guess three sorts. There's some that are like, crypto is the future, and they're selling their houses and selling, cars and stuff to put as much money as they can into Bitcoin. And then there are those people who are like, I would never touch cryptocurrency because it's not safe. It's not backed by any government. So, I don't want to lose all my money on this speculative play. And then there's some people who, will take a small portion and put it aside in case it decides to go up. So I'm not telling you whether to invest or not to invest. I'm just saying make sure you keep it on your radar because in my personal opinion, I think that it will go up. Now, going to Dogecoin, it's like the cheapest one you could buy. So buying one Dogecoin, is not really going to hurt you. It's $1. It's under $1. So, I mean, you could probably go and get a quarter from somewhere and, buy a Dogecoin. So I think, the future is here. And, if you want to continue to spread your wealth and grow your wealth, these are some of the things that I think you should look at, as time goes on and we move more into this digital age of technology and into finance. So good luck to everybody trading out there. Hope you all have a good week, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.